Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. It's the 12th of November today, and we're going to be looking at basic attention token trading against Bitcoin over 4-hour candles. It's had a bit of a wild ride in the last couple of weeks. For those of you that haven't been following the asset, basically there was this huge run-up to the announcement of the Coinbase Pro listing. From there was this big bearish sell-off, and there's been a bit of speculation over what caused it. It definitely looks like someone just bought in big on the rumor here on November 2nd and then just sold again afterwards on November 8th. And it caused it to just, it's had this big FOMO drive and then this big FUD sort of market afterwards, and it's just cascaded all the way down. Around November 9th, Circle announced that it would be listing BAT on its platform, and that helped bulls sort of regain a little bit of ground, but it ran into a very strong resistance here around 4,400 sats, which caused it to continue down. Right now, catching up with the asset, we can see that it was able to find the 0.382 fib level support at 3,807 sats with an overlapping uptrending support. So sort of this overlapping support region here, which has really helped bulls slow down the descent and start to push back here. And as you can see, this uptrending support level was able to hold up BAT 2 times in the past, and on this third time it's doing the same job. So looking pretty good. If we look at some of the indicators, there's some promising signs of a reversal. We haven't had a strong confirmation yet, but it's certainly looking like it's heading towards that way. On the MACD indicator, you can see the 12 MA is getting close now towards the 26 MA. It started to arc back up towards the signal line. There's been an increase in buying candle, or a decrease in selling candles, sorry, back towards the signal line as buying momentum increases. If we look at the Chaikin money flow indicator, you can see there's a big spike now back towards the zero line as buying pressure increases. And the RSI as well, there's been enough bullish momentum in this asset to stop it from going into the oversold region. We've kind of got this double bottom here where momentum's now starting to spike back into the channel. So some promising signs here, but as you can see, this particular 4-hour candle, we've got a long wick above it, so there's obviously a lot of bearish selling pressure going on at the moment, which is forcing the bulls to sort of retreat back to this support area. So it'll be interesting to see how this particular candle closes and whether we can actually push on from here. And that will be a good indicator as where we're going in the short term. For price targets, our first price target will probably be a retracement back to this 4,400 sats resistance area here. If bulls are able to overcome that and push on, then probably this 0.618 fib level at 4,646 sats will be our next price target. And then like a top target for this asset will probably be the psychological 5,000 sats mark here, which was able to sort of hold down the bulls on November 9th and also back on November 5th. So this will probably be our top target going into the short term. But yeah, drop me a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this asset. Let me know if you are bullish or bearish for basic attention token. Please check out the full TA at CryptoVest.com and like and subscribe. Thank you.